traffic last week due to this fuel something. I book ride. They show me 4 days away. He said, "I lie. You wanted to come out outside? Eh? Person want to get motor, they shall not lie. Do you book? You trek. Look at. It's very bad. Things are happening. You know, say this kind of show now. You see the one I gather like this now. You cannot see people spraying money. No. Lagos, well behaved. Bini. Waiting Bini don't see for 1,300 naira. And you know, say 1,300 naira, no, they easily land. If you throw, you go there air. You can just and nobody big money rich Bini guys. So the Asewo part. Omo, I did one show for Bini, them throw 1,002. The 1,000, 100 naira, 30. It just dey up. It dey hover. See Bini guys, their eye they turn with the money. Trust Bini girls. Omo, for darkness, I fear Bini girls. 100 naira when they up. One girl use palm slippers, stone them. One land, they make 800, still they up. Omo, as that 800 land, if you see Bini girls on that table, they collect one man shoe. Collect person shoe with 100 naira, one leg. Man, we can find a shower for there. Collecting shoe. Now, what do you want to take Razo to get one leg? Things will they happen. And if you see, once they spray this money like this, people they misbehave. People they can't behave themselves again. See Lagos here. I go one show. The wizards are throw $100, 20 pieces. See Lagos guys, the thing they come, they blow and breeze. It's not our thing. I mean the Lekki side. Not that place where they do refinery. Eleko. Things they happen.
Sabinus.
Wait. I know say for this on our Lagos, it can't be like say when they behave well for you. The way Port Harcourt gets the thief. Yeah. One guy carry Port Harcourt Asewo. Now him they advise the Asewo from door. I have television. I have radio. I don't know. How do you live your life? The guy they say, I go thief. Port Harcourt Asewo. And please, Lagos Asewo, some of them are here. Make some noise. They are always available to help people. You know, when your wife is pregnant, there's a support. Am I lying? You see them? Asewo like VIP. One guy don't carry Asewo one day. And please, all this Asewo, please, try as much as possible. When they carry you, you know, say some men, this thing not they stand normally. As an Asewo, try. Once you there with man inside room, learn to smile. This thing love a smiling face. You cannot hold my this thing and be burning face. Look at it. Watch me. You will see the thing. But if you just say like this, you go see, it's dropping. It doesn't make sense. And some men, it gets some men, any mother, help me with that Fanta. Help me with the Fanta. Make I teach you how to raise that thing for some men. This is the D. Some men love when you do it like this. You know, the 2 balls. You hit it. Once it, no, don't hit and pass 2. Just hit them 2 times. You don't see. Then you get some men, they don't get 2 balls, they get 1. I'm telling you, they sell it in Badagry now. They sell balls for Babaragiri now. What are we saying? Now this Lagos I buy Dido. Dido no stand though. And Lagos girls, please try. I love the way you do your nyash. It's bold. Lagos girls, the nyash is bold. You know, so Lagos girls when they do nyash, you know they shake. Just the nyash just touch. You go slap nyash, nyash go slap you back. Strong nyash. I don't know the custard rubber what do they use. And one thing with Lagos girls, snap them from the side. One the long pass one. Check them. I'm talking marking one such a. Huh? What? I not be waiting at talk. Oh. Una see Bobrisky go do nyash. Who's here? Bobrisky for online, the thing is soft. I see Bobrisky for supper. If you see nyash, the jeans and the nyash. I can't say, madam. I said, sorry, sir. He said, what did you just call, sir? I said, senior man. Well. And you know the worst part? Once they hold that, they are good. This is soft, nice. Hello. Nice one. You see it? It's shaking. You know this? You know those yansh? Small yansh. Pint today, yeah. Yansh today, yeah. You know, so small yansh, no, they get pint. If you wear the pint, if you go beach, breeze go they blow pint. Yansh today like this. And please, if you go to club, they sing that small yansh they shake, small yansh they shake. Try as much as possible. Look at the mirror. You need to know your nyash before you shake it. You can't be shaking a bought nyash. You bought it. What if if it falls off? One girl nyash fall for W bar now. One man don't know when he match him. The guy they say, my nyash, my nyash, my nyash. So what you do, if you go to club, you know, if you want to know real nyash, you will know. Hold your needle. When you're dancing, you choke it. If it doesn't shout, you go out. This Lagos, since I pack into Lagos, my brother, life don't tire me. Before I go, he get one course for school. I don't know if you know this course, French. He get course way hard past French. No man, I just tell me, he get course way hard past French. Which course? Further waiting. He don't ever write French exam where they write the name of your school with French. One exam will go right, my brother. First question. Comment tout à paix? Full line. Nobody know. Comment tout à paix will be, what is your own name? Long line. People they ask, Baba, comment tout à paix? So my brother, me, I don't know. Comment would they ask? We reach one girl. Comment tout à paix? The girl say Josephine Okoro. The full line. Right, Josephine Okoro. Now when lecturer come, then they ask, how many Josephine Okoro do we have in this school? Trust Potaka boys, all of us stand up. And you get one thing where girls, especially girls, when we say they do birthday. Girls, if I'm lying, tell me I'm lying. Whenever you're doing your birthday, Shebi, you get one girl you they give waterproof. You get one girl you they give waterproof to pick money. You see that girl? Now your bone friend. Because girls know say they thief themselves. One girl go call him friend, say, see this waterproof, I give it to you, Chinyere. As you are spraying this money, please, do your best. I believe in you. Pick whatever you see. Watch out for Bonita, watch out for Faith. She know her fellow thieves. Birthday reach, my brother. The person who didn't give waterproof come late. Hey! In brother, in boyfriend, they tell him, why are you crying? Say, you won't understand. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Woo! Say, where? Oh! They don't, all these Yahoo boys don't spray. Pew, pew, pew. Before you know what thing they happen, they don't spray finish. Now the boyfriend come tell and say, for any reason, don't pick money in this birthday. I can give you whatever money you want. Guests don't like that talk. They hate them. As the bonita come, he get one girl who don't pick all the 1,000. That girl, when they do birthday, don't they aim them. You know, say for their birthday, their shoe, they long. That heel, they get sharp mouth. The girl just dey watch. I don't know say wetin this girl dey pray for be say make light off.